Hey everybody, and welcome back. Are you trying to come up with recipes to use what you have in your pantry to make your meals stretch so it don't cost so much to cook a dinner? Well, I'm going to show you today in this side dish. It's a cabbage casserole that is cheaper and easier to make for your family to stretch your money. So come on and let's turn around here. I'm at the stove and we're going to be cooking up a cabbage casserole. And right here are the ingredients you're going to be needing for this recipe. This recipe is so good, even kids will eat this. So y'all come on and let's get started. Once you have your cabbage chopped up, set it to the side. Now we're going to make our mixture to put in our cabbage. We're going to start by adding our lemon juice first. Then we're going to add our sour cream. This recipe right here was a recipe that they used to use during the Great Depression. It would make the food go further. If they had a big head of cabbage, they could add just a few ingredients that they had in this recipe that would make it go further to feed their families. Right here we have our 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. That'll help it bind together. This is our salt and pepper and cornstarch. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this bowl right here and check my eggs before I put all my eggs in my mixture. The eggs will help bind this recipe together. And you want to go ahead and beat your eggs just a little before you add it in your mixture. Before I add my eggs to it, I'm going to give it a mix and try to start combining it together a little at a time. I'm going to go ahead now and add my Parmesan cheese. And now we're going to go ahead and slowly mix in our eggs. And just give that a good mix. You want to make sure you get everything combined good and mixed together. Now we're going to get our cabbage back over here. We're going to add our mixture to our cabbage. And get it ready for the baking dish. Once you get all your mixture in, we're just going to mix in our mixture on top of the cabbage and blend it all together and coat all the cabbage with your mixture. Now you want to go ahead and get your baking dish ready. You need to spray it with any kind of cooking spray to make sure your casserole does not stick. This is an easy casserole recipe. It don't take but around, after you chop your cabbage, around 15 to 20 minutes to get this casserole ready for the oven. Just spread it all out evenly. And now we're going to top it with the rest of our cheese. I'm adding mozzarella right here, and I'm also going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese once it starts cooking. And I'm going to place this foil on top and bake it in the oven on 350 for around 25 minutes. I took it out and I opened the aluminum foil and added my cheddar cheese and then cooked it just a few more minutes. This cabbage casserole is cheesy and creamy. It's a crowd pleaser, y'all. That's another version of a cabbage casserole. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.